While Nick was working in his cedar shack this afternoon, he noticed something in here. It's a little dark. Let's see if I can get a flashlight going. He went up here to look at a bucket of rocks and noticed a bird nest. A bird had built a nest in his place here, and look at all the little baby eggs in there. There's a whole bunch of them. So now we gotta watch out when they hatch. He's gonna have to stay out of here for a little while. I don't know what kind of nest it is. Let me see if I can get a good view of those eggs and maybe try to do some investigating online. There's the egg right there. There's the shape of the nest.